Hi, everybody. It's Susan Riley with the Deal Scout. This week, we are doing a short. And what is a short? It's a quick rundown of what another company is looking to acquire through a merger and acquisition. And I have a guest today, Carl Gold, my good friend from Seven Stage Advisors. And Carl is going to share with us one of his clients' needs for a mergers and acquisition company. So welcome, Carl.
Thanks, Susan. It's good to be back.
Yeah, good to have you back. So tell me real quick, what type of business is being sought by your client?
We have a client that's looking to acquire accounting and bookkeeping firms. They're looking for companies that provide a variety of services, and they have business clients. They might do tax or tax resolution, or they might do accounting and bookkeeping or tax planning, or they might even do business coaching or other types of cash flow or profit type coaching, outsource CFO services. They offer a wide variety of services, but their clients don't do all of those things. Our client is very interested in picking up companies and merging with companies so they can really synergize together.
Nice, nice. And do they have any requirements as to how long the accounting or CPA firm needs to be in operation before they could be a candidate for being acquired?
Not necessarily in the accounting and bookkeeping space, as you know, clients are a lifetime. They're lifetime members, if you will, and it's a very stable industry. So it doesn't matter how long they've been in business. Now, most companies that are looking to sell have been in business for a period of time. They're not typically looking to sell their business in their first year or just months after they've acquired a client. So just by the very nature of the business, they've likely been in business 5 years or more. What we're finding, the companies that we're meeting that are looking to sell their practices or their businesses, they've been in business at least 10 years.
Do they have a price budget that they're looking to with the businesses that they're acquiring?
Well, they're looking at mostly 5 million and below. They're looking smaller than that. 5 million and above, as you know, is now in private equity has gotten into the game and is looking at companies that are that large.
Mm-hmm.
And so there's still a lot of activity going on in the 250,000 up to 5 million range. Nationwide now. The pandemic, the companies that they used to speak to before the pandemic would say, "Oh, you really need to have that local presence. We need to have that storefront. People come in on a regular basis." But the pandemic changed all that. Where even practices that had the majority of their clients local and would come in person now are very much remote. And the accounting firms have made the switch in technology too, where clients can upload their documentation into a portal, or they've just given the accountant access to their books file or their account, that sort of thing. So it's very much a remote business now, or at least the majority of it is. And so they're looking nationwide.
Oh, well, that's very exciting. And how soon are they looking to purchase these kind of businesses?
Well, they're looking right away. There's two times of the year that are the most common when an accounting or bookkeeping firm is looking to either buy or sell. And it's usually May-ish to September-ish.
Right.
And then again, a brief window at the end of the year into the turn of the next year.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the two windows of time. So our client is talking to firms all year long, but they all pretty much say the same thing. If we're going to do it, let's pull the trigger during this window or that window. These are the two windows that we'd be willing to make a change in.
Right. Yep. I understand that.
Yeah, you've been there for sure, right?
I've been there. Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming on real quick and giving us that information. We will certainly put this out on our social media. If you are a listener and are interested in selling your CPA or accounting firm or fractional CFO firm, reach out to me. I will put you in touch with Carl, and maybe we can make a deal work out. Thank you again, Carl, for joining me today. So that does it for today. This is Susan Riley with the Deal Scout, and we're out.